with residual makeup. It's a little bit too bright, but this will be residual shine from what's highlighter. You roll some on the cheek. Then I'm going to go have hot chocolate down by the river and do my eye exercises. And stick a straw here and lose my lipstick. And the bars I go to, the staff are always complaining. They know I've been there because I'm the only one who has lipstick, and there's lipstick on the cups. So thanks for watching. Hope you had a good Christmas and New Year. My brother phoned me after 20 years, which was quite a surprise. And I'm invited to come up, so I guess all is forgiven. Catch you later, dudes.